Hello everybody. Oh, just give me 1 second. My name is Monopoly and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, as always, with every single YouTube video that I post, you already know the crypto market is dumping, and just like expected, Bitcoin is currently again under $20,000. Have we hit a bottom yet? I am not sure. With the Ethereum merge just completed, the Vassal hard fork just completed on Cardano, we got a lot of things going on in the crypto market that's going to be beneficial in the long term, but for now, we're currently in sideways action, and honestly, I keep seeing a lot of FUD on the markets right now. A lot of people on Twitter suggesting that we're going to hit prices close to $13,000 to $15,000. Which I guess I can kind of see it based on these levels here, but I honestly don't see anything holding much under $20,000. I do feel like we're just gonna stick to this level for like a year maybe at max, but honestly anything can happen with Bitcoin as with anything else in the crypto market, so you never know. But at the end of the day, I honestly believe that DCAing is always the best term in terms of long-term volatility. Not financial advice, that's just my 2 cents. Now, another thing I wanted to talk about was the thing that I mentioned in the previous video, which is scooping up any blue chip NFTs and accumulating any coins that you want to accumulate. And what am I accumulating? Well, like I said, I'm currently still looking at crypto skulls, working on that out. But another blue chip NFT, the very first ever Cardano NFT on the blockchain, is a Space Bud, and you will not believe it when the prices dropped down to 3,000 Cardano, and oh my goodness, was that a steal for me. And honestly, I just felt it was time to pull the trigger. So honestly, what did I do? I did what any smart investor would do with their life savings and retirement money. I bought myself a Space Bud. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness, look at that. I got a Space Bud cat with no weapons whatsoever. I got it for a steal and deal, just slightly on the floor, but honestly just something I want to hold in the long term. Another blue NFT that I want to accumulate is a Clay Nation Bud, just because it's got kind of like the somewhat blue stamp of approval by Charles Hoskin and Snoop Dogg. And so in my opinion, I feel like the Clay Nation is like kind of like the Boarded Yacht Club on the Cardano blockchain. And just like always, Sky Rocket Club, I just need to get one of these. The price is great, it's amazing. I'm just kind of looking to see which one I want to get, but this will most likely be my next NFT purchase. So you guys let me know, what new NFT purchases are you guys looking into? What coins are you accumulating in the bear market? What price level do you feel like we're gonna hit at a bottom? Do you think we hit a bottom, or is it still more downside? Honestly, just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.